Alright, picture this, you've got this killer product idea. Maybe it's hand-poured candles, custom-designed t-shirts, or even a line of eco-friendly pet toys. You're bursting with creativity, you've got the passion, and you're ready to launch your online empire. But where do you even start finding reliable suppliers? And, more importantly, can you seamlessly connect those suppliers to your sleek, user-friendly Wix website? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Because let's be real, finding the right products and the right suppliers is the backbone of any successful e-commerce venture. And if you're like a lot of aspiring entrepreneurs, you've probably stumbled across SaleHoo. It's a name that pops up again and again in discussions about dropshipping, wholesale, and finding legitimate suppliers. But the nagging question remains, does SaleHoo actually play nice with Wix? We're not just talking about a simple yes or no answer here. We're diving deep. We're going to explore what SaleHoo is, what Wix offers, and how or if these two platforms can work together to fuel your online business dreams. We're going to break down the complexities, cut through the jargon, and give you the straight scoop so you can make informed decisions about your e-commerce journey. Think of it like building a house. You've got your foundation, that's Wix, your website builder. Then you've got your building materials, that's your products sourced from suppliers. SaleHoo, in this analogy, is your toolbox helping you find those quality materials. But can you effectively use that toolbox within the framework of your Wix-built house? Let's start with the basics. SaleHoo, for those who might be new to it, is a directory of over 8,000 verified dropshippers, wholesalers, and manufacturers. It's designed to take the guesswork out of finding reliable suppliers. They claim to vet their suppliers, ensuring you're working with legitimate businesses and avoiding scams. They offer a range of tools and resources, including market research labs, training materials, and a supportive community. Now, Wix. Wix is a powerful website builder that's known for its user-friendly interface and drag-and-drop functionality. It's perfect for beginners and experienced website creators alike. Wix offers a variety of e-commerce features, including product listings, shopping carts, payment gateways, and marketing tools. It's designed to help you create a professional online store without needing to know a single line of code. Here's where things get interesting. SaleHoo doesn't directly integrate with Wix in the same way that some apps integrate with, say, Shopify. There's no dedicated SaleHoo app in the Wix app market. This can be a bit of a red flag for some people, leading them to believe that the two platforms are incompatible. But that's not necessarily the case. The key to understanding this relationship lies in understanding the difference between a supplier directory and a direct integration platform. SaleHoo is primarily a directory. It provides you with information and contact details for suppliers. It's your research tool. It doesn't automatically sync product listings or inventory levels with your Wix store. Essentially, you use SaleHoo to find your suppliers and then manually import their products into your Wix store. This means you'll need to handle product descriptions, images, and inventory management yourself. It might sound like a lot of work, and it can be, but it also gives you a significant amount of control over your product listings and branding. Let's break down the process. You'd start by using SaleHoo's directory to find suppliers that offer products in your niche. You'd then contact those suppliers, negotiate pricing, and establish a relationship. Once you've secured your suppliers, you'd create product listings in your Wix store using the information provided by your suppliers. If you're dropshipping, you'll need to coordinate with your suppliers to ensure they ship orders directly to your customers. This involves providing them with customer shipping information and tracking numbers. If you're buying wholesale, you'll need to manage your own inventory and shipping. Now, some people might be thinking, that sounds like a lot of manual work. Is it really worth it? The answer depends on your business model and your comfort level with manual processes. If you're just starting out and have a limited budget, using SaleHoo with Wix can be a cost-effective way to launch your online store. SaleHoo's membership fee is relatively affordable, and Wix offers a range of pricing plans to suit different budgets. However, if you're looking for a more automated solution, you might want to consider platforms that offer direct integrations with supplier directories or dropshipping apps. Shopify, for example, has a wide range of apps that automate product imports and inventory management. But before you write off SaleHoo and Wix altogether, let's consider the advantages. Firstly, SaleHoo's verified supplier directory can help you avoid scams and find reliable partners. Secondly, Wix's user-friendly interface makes it easy to create a professional online store, even if you have no prior web design experience. And thirdly, the manual process allows for greater control over your product listings and branding. Another crucial factor to consider is the type of products you're selling. If you're selling unique, handcrafted, or custom-made products, you might prefer the manual approach, as it allows you to showcase your products in a way that reflects your brand's personality. If you're selling commodity products, you might prefer a more automated solution. Let's talk about some workarounds. While there's no direct app integration, you can leverage other tools to streamline your process. For example, you can use a spreadsheet to track your inventory and product information. You can also use email marketing tools to automate customer communications. You can also use Wix's built-in SEO tools to optimize your product listings for search engines. This can help you attract more organic traffic to your store. Remember, a strong SEO strategy is essential for any online business. Another valuable resource SaleHoo provides is their market research lab. This tool can help you identify trending products and assess market demand. This information can be invaluable when choosing products to sell in your Wix store. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use SaleHoo with Wix depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're willing to put in the manual work, you can create a successful online store using these two platforms. However, if you're looking for a more automated solution, you might want to consider other options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.